everyone, I am Munchie Monkey. In this video, we will learn about magic tricks. In the first trick, the equipment required will be a paper cube and a few sugar cubes. What happens is, you sit behind your table and show a cube. You say, this is one of those cubes that are very slim. Do you know that they are so slim that they go straight through tables? Well, they do. Look! And you do it and it goes. How to do this is make a paper cube. You have a sugar in your lap. Press the paper cube and then show some sugar cubes in your lap to the audience. Now for the second trick, you will require some money and a blindfold. What happens is that you are blindfolded. Okay, your assistant holds up a coin and notes, find the notes of different values and asks you what is the value. You answer correct every time. So how this works is, so for this trick you need an accomplice. In this trick there is a keyword for each rupee. The list is given below. What worth is this? What worth is this? Equals to coin. What am I holding? No. So like whenever somebody, so the assistants will ask, say, what am I holding? You'll say note. Then the assistant says exactly. Then they say exactly. Now, how many rupees is it? Then you'll say 100 rupees. Because exactly equals to 100 rupees. So like that, it goes for all of it. Now the next trick, the equipment required will be one matchbox. So what happens is, you have a matchbox flat on the back of your hand. You give the command for it to rise and like an obedient slave, it rises up. Okay, how to do? Empty the box of its matches. Close it just beneath your knuckles so that you have a little bit of your skin inside the box. I'm assuring you this is not as painful as it sounds. Okay, keep your fingers a little clenched, then clench them more and the matchbox rises up. Now the next trick, the equipment required will also be one matchbox. So you show the matchbox to the audience. You throw it up in the air. It lands with this label side up. You say, it has landed label side up. Let's see what it is this time. You do it again and then you say the same again. So how to do this is, you have a coin in the bottom of the box, below the box and between the cover and the box. So then the heavier side always falls down. Now in the next trick, you're gonna need some wet cotton and a coin. So what happens is, you show the audience a coin, you feel it and say, this coin feels damp. Yes, it is very damp. As you say this, you press the coin and liquid comes out of it. So how to do this? You keep the wet cotton behind the coin. It should be slightly smaller than the coin so that it is fully covered. When you press the coin, you actually press the cotton and the water drips out. Okay, in this trick, the equipment required will be an orange, an apple, and a hat. So what happens is, you show an orange to everyone, then you show the hat. You put the orange inside the hat, you move your hand around the hat as it's searching for something, then take out the apple. How to do this is, you cut an orange in half and take out everything inside. You put an apple in one of the halves and cover with the other half. When you move your hand, you pull open the halves and take out the apple. Okay, in the next trick, you need one glass made of steel or glass and two coins. What happens is, you tell everybody that you can make coins appear out of thin air. And then you grab a coin and throw it into the glass and it makes flang. How to do this is you have two coins in your right hand, which is above the glass. You pretend to throw the coin from your left hand, but you actually throw it in from your right. So there are two coins, which, so that you can do it in case anybody missed the trick. So for this, the equipment required will be one large paper or plastic bag, two balloons, and tape. So what happens? You turn over the bag and a balloon falls out. You pop the balloon and put it back in the bag. You blow hard into the bag. Then you take out the balloon, which is blown again. So how to do is you blow the balloons half. They are both in the bag. One of them needs to be taped to the inside of the bag. When you turn it over, one balloon falls out. You pop that and put it in the bag. When you take out a balloon, pull out the taped balloon and show it to the audience. Equipment for this trick is one map of the entire world, or you can use a map of country. Then you need a pencil, you need paper, and you need a hat. So what happens is you tell the audience that you can go anywhere in the world or country if that is the map you are using. Call a volunteer and tell them to suggest places for you to go. You write them down on the paper as they are suggested. Then you tear it up into chits of all the places. You put the chits in your hat and shuffle them. You ask the volunteer to pick one. They choose one and show it to everybody else. You tell them the place written there and say the correct place. How to do? You write down the first suggestion on all the chits. That way, no matter what the volunteer picks, you will know what it is. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video.